Hi, my name is ex14OlabisiK and I'll be presenting my 14th exercise. And this is my adapter class students, and this is my main activity. And these are the strings I used. My text, my design, my text, and the card view, the design, and the text, my content name and design. And okay, let me run the program. This is the program. My design and my text. And this is what we did in class. You can click on anything and it'll show you the position. And whenever I click on the add button, so and okay. So from now on, I'm gonna be talking about what I added to this program. I added this cancel button, cancel menu rather. And whenever I click on it, it cancels the first entry, as you can see, and it shows the message remove successful. So 3 is the first one now. So that's, yeah, I think that's pretty much. Thank you.